What I purchased, the one funnel away challenge. So here's the receipt, and this is what I purchased. So let's go inside and take a look. What is up guys? Malama here with one funnel away challenge review and walkthrough. It's not really a review, just gonna be going ahead and showing you inside the one funnel away challenge that I purchased a few days back, and I started going through yesterday. It's a 30-day live coaching on how to get your business started from the scratch to where it's a full-time business with the power of Clickfunnels and using funnels basically. So it's a 30-day challenge, and I'm gonna go ahead right onto my computer and show you guys what it's all about. But before we get into the video, I want to show you guys some of the cool bonuses that you're gonna be getting in case you love this product and gonna think about purchasing it. You can use a link that is down in the description, and I'm gonna be showing you guys some really cool bonuses. I'll see you guys inside. So right before we get into the video and talk about the one funnel away challenge, just wanted to give you guys a bit of motivation. So this is all the bonuses that you're gonna be getting if you at all get to happen to purchase the one funnel away challenge using the link that is down in the description of this video. Why do I say that? Boom. So that you can be able to gain these kinds of results. Let me show you one more pic. Such results as these. So if you want to get these results, then purchase the one funnel away challenge using the link in the description, and you'll be able to have access to all these trainings, all the funnels, and all these templates for you to be able to sell the one funnel away challenge and get these kinds of results. So all the instructions will be down in the description of this video on how you can get these bonuses. Once you purchase the one funnel away challenge, I will put an email there that you guys can use. Peace, and I'll see you inside the video. What is up guys? So basically this is the landing page of the one funnel away challenge. When you come over to the site, this is basically the site that you're going to arrive at. So you can go ahead and watch this video once you head over to this page and really get a deep understanding. But anyway, I'm gonna just break down a few things as I'm going through this challenge myself, and just get to show you guys really what happens inside this challenge as you progress throughout the challenge. So when you come over this page, you can basically choose at what stage you're at, but it's not really relevant because the information that's stored in here is on a general state. So all you pay is $100 for this challenge. Once you pay that $100, this is what you get. So you get 30 days of video training from Russell Brunson, the owner of Clickfunnels. And right before I get into what you get with this, basically what does this challenge do for you guys? Well, this challenge helps you go from 0 to hero in 30 days. What do I mean by that? I mean, it helps you build a business from the scratch all the way to where you're earning an online income through your business that's actually stable. And how do they do that? It's through daily trainings that you're offered inside the Clickfunnels secret area here. This is a secret area where you get daily live coaching where you can ask questions, get feedback from the coaches, and all that good stuff, as well as some other video trainings that you may need to get exposed to, such as you can see here. So these are some of the coachings that you get from these guys. You also get to download a worksheet every day concerning the challenge that you need to do. So I don't wanna show everything inside because it's against their legal business laws. So anyways, this is the page you're going to learn to, and you're gonna pay $100 for it. And for that $100, you guys are gonna get a 30 days mission video from Russell Brunson. 30 days of mission videos from, so from day 1 to day 30 you'll be getting daily video mission trainings from Russell Brunson, the owner of Clickfunnels and the owner of this One Funnel Away challenge, really big $6 million internet marketer. Then another 30 days of coaching from two other coaches called Stephen Larsen and Julius Stoiani. The One Funnel Away challenge customized kit book, that shows you the 30-day plan. Now, when you talk about this right here, the One Funnel Away challenge customized kit 30-day plan, 247. These are the bonuses: a physical copy of the challenge workbook, an MP3 player, a 30 days hardcover book. You also get unlimited access to 30 days interviews, and you get a bonus behind the scene two Comma Club interviews from the amazing $2 million earners. These are the people that earned almost $2 million using Clickfunnels. So what is this that you get? So the first thing you get is you get access to the One Funnel Away challenge kit that will be shipped to you, but it's a decision. You can either choose these things to be shipped to you or not, depending on your personal needs and budget. But I would highly recommend you get access to these to be shipped to you for, I think it's just like about $19 for all these things to be shipped to you. So that's an additional $19. So bonus #1. Bonus number 1 is a 30 days 550 page hardcover book. This is a hardcover book from two Comma Club members. Those are the people that have generated over $100 million using the Clickfunnels funnel. So they get to be asked, what would they do if they had to lose everything and start from the scratch, from the 1 to the 30? What would they actually do to get back on track? That's what this book has covered. So if I go back in the members area right here, they've also got these interviews online, like this right here. So this is every millionaires, every person that has earned $1 million using the Clickfunnels funnel. This is what they can show you. This is how they would launch their business from day 1 to day 30, showing you the exact steps that they would use to launch their successful business. Then what else do you get? So bonus number 2 is a physical copy of the One Funnel Away challenge workbook. This is more or less like a notebook. Challenge 3 is an MP3 player with live recordings of the first One Funnel Away challenge. So the very first One Funnel Away challenge that was done by Russell Brunson, all the live trainings were recorded on this MP3 and it will be shipped to you, so for you to hear to every now and then, even when the challenge is over and the live videos are no longer available. So these are the guys that will be in charge of your trainings right here. You've got Russell, the strategist, who will train you with new videos created and structures for a specific challenge on that particular day. Then you've got Julius Stoiani, the transformer, will help you walk through the process and how to of turning your abstract customized 30-day plan into an actual funnel that's built and up and running, the executioner. So Stephen Larsen is the one that will be giving you daily coaching group calls to encourage you, motivate you, push you to do whatever it is that you have to do on a daily basis. So that's about it. Nothing really much. Is there a guarantee? Yes, there's a 30-day money back guarantee from the day it arrives at your house, and receive a full refund of $100, but you have to ship back their items to them. So you come over here, enter all your details, and you click on the next step. But you can get to choose if you want the digital version, which is only where all those kits are not included, or you want one that's included with the kits. So if you're in the US, it's at $19. If you're outside the USA, it's $29.95 a month, you guys. I mean, that's a steal, guys. It's a steal. Damn, it's a steal. Pretty cheap. So I'm gonna go into the members area and look at what you get after you purchase. So you've got the welcome section. This is just a video welcoming you to the One Funnel Away challenge by Russell Brunson. Then secondly, you've got the mission training section. This section contains the secret mission area. This is where you get live trainings every day from Russell Brunson, Stoiani, as well as Larsen, coaching you every day live in a Facebook group. Then thirdly is you've got the daily training. This is why they are delivered. So like pre-training mission 1, mission 2, as you can see. So they are delivered every day, unlocks a new coaching that you need to go through. Look at download the worksheet, go through it, watch the videos and all that stuff. Then you've got the 30 days summit interviews from the 2 Comma Club winners, people that have earned $2 million using the Clickfunnels funnel. They show you exactly what they would do from the 1 to the 30 to make a profitable income that will generate them a monthly recurring revenue. So I hope this video doesn't come out to be boring. I'm not really good at doing video. I'm just starting out, just training. As you guys may have noticed, I'm not all that comfortable being on camera, but hey, you gotta do it anyway. Then you've got the last part, which is the affiliate bootcamp access. This is why you get to have access to all the trainings of the affiliate bootcamp. This is just a free training on how you can go about and promote Clickfunnels for free, and it's all free. Plus, in addition to that, to the kit that you get, to the One Funnel Away Challenge kit, which is this one. Once you purchase through the affiliate bootcamp, you can actually get, including this 100-day challenge to become a super affiliate, for free, shipped to you inside the shipping box. So that was about the One Funnel Away challenge. Now, just to give you guys a little bit of motivation, I decided to show you some pictures. So this is basically my receipt. As you can see, amount paid $100, date paid 25th July, that's when I paid, and I'm going through it right now. It started on the 5th, so it started yesterday. Today is the 6th, so I paid $100 for it. And these are some results that people have been getting, that have already been doing this for a long time. I got this from a private group. These are the earnings they've actually managed to get using Clickfunnels and going through the One Funnel Away challenge. So what's next? Well, let me click on the next picture. So the units, some of the units are delivered inside the Facebook group. That's a secret training area, and only the people that have signed up for the One Funnel Away challenge are allowed in this group, and they have to check the system for you to be added into the group. Otherwise you won't be added to the group. Then these are some of the results that people have been getting there for doing the One Funnel Away challenge. These are some of the testimonials. As you can see, this person's earned about $700 in the last 30 days, and they are now at $1,775. Then this is a kit. This is a physical kit that you get. This is a workbook. This is a 30-day challenge book, the MP3 player, and I think that should be a clone of $100. Let me try and zoom in. Yeah, looks like it. Yeah, so this is the box the 30-day challenge is delivered in. Next is the One Funnel Away challenge box. So this is where everything comes from. This is where the whole thing basically just comes from. So that's about the One Funnel Away challenge. And if you're looking to get the One Funnel Away challenge, so that's the MP3 player. So if you look to get the One Funnel Away challenge, I'm looking to help you guys get started with earning money online. So for a total value of $3,967, if you just go ahead and click the link in the description, purchase a one funnel away challenge. I'll be able to hook you guys up with these bonuses. So I'm gonna hook you up with a daily one funnel away challenge recaps with downloadable slides, and you get an OFA challenge funnel that has made over 37,200 so far this year, a training on exactly how to set up the funnel, an active campaign email marketing masterclass, my personal branded website template, a funnel design masterclass and personal branding, 9 additional funnel templates plus future add-ons, and the crew masterclass series that helps you know more about affiliate marketing. So these templates are there to help you guys be able to sell ClickFunnels and one funnel away, so that you can get to over a $4,000 monthly recurring income and even more. So some bonus methods on how this exact funnel here sold over 372 one funnel away challenge. In the bonus training, 6-step process to get the dream car with 0 ads. So that's about it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.